To remove the glove box, you will first need to remove the cup holder. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. With the cup holder removed, you will need to remove the two trim panels on the center console indicated by the red and blue arrows. Use a trim removal tool and pry the panel out from the console, red arrows. With all the clips released, slide the trim panel back towards the rear of the vehicle and out, red arrow. Use a T25 torque and remove the single screw on the lower panel, indicated by the red arrow. Slide the panel off the lower mount, red arrow, and down. Separate the wiring connection for the power port, blue arrow. Open the glove box and using a trim removal tool, pry out the entertainment port, red arrows, and separate the wiring connection that your vehicle is equipped with. Use a trim removal tool and pry off the end dash trim piece, and then use a T25 torque to remove the single screw that is facing the rear of the vehicle and indicated by the red arrow. Use a trim removal tool and pry out the footwell light, blue arrow. In this image, you can also see one of the E8 torque screws that you will be removing in a moment, red arrow. Lower the light and squeeze in the tab and separate the wiring connection, red arrow. Use an E8 torque and remove the two lower screws under the dash indicated by the red arrows. Use a T25 torque and remove the single screw from behind the dash trim piece under the vent. Use a T25 torque and remove the three screws from the top of the glove box under the dash, red arrow. Lower the glove box and pull it back. Separate the wiring connection from the mount on the rear of the glove box and separate the connection, red arrow. As you lower the glove box, feed the entertainment wiring through the access port on the rear of the glove box, indicated by the red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.